Transform any static document into a dynamic, fillable form with Dochub's incredible interactivity features, making document completion a breeze for everyone. Let's dive into how you can harness this power first. Upload your document to Dochub. It can be a PDF, Word document, or even an image. Once your document is open in the Dochub editor, look for the Add field or Interactive Fields option. You'll see a variety of tools at your disposal. For basic information like names, addresses, or dates, select the Text field tool. Click where you want an input area, and a field will appear, ready for your recipient to type in. Need simple yes or no answers? Use the Checkbox field. Just place it next to each option that requires a selection. If your recipients need to choose only one option from a list, like selecting a service type, use the Radio Button tool. Make sure to assign the same group name to each related radio button so only one can be chosen. For more comprehensive choices, the drop-down menu is perfect. Click to add it. Then customize the list of options your recipients can select from, streamlining complex decisions. You can also add date fields for easy date selection, signature fields for digital signatures, and even calculated fields for automatic computations. Each field can be customized for appearance and required status. Once you've added all your interactive fields, simply save your document and share it with your recipients via email or a direct link. They can then open it and fill it out directly in their browser. No extra software needed. By transforming your static documents into interactive forms with Dochub, you're not just saving time, you're providing a dramatically better, more efficient experience for everyone involved. Happy filling.